About to do my video outside. I'm attempting to do this with my dog. Let's see how this goes. Otis! Money, 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 money. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn $53 into $729. So, stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Alyssa from At Home Hustler. I'm a homeschooling mama of 2 boys, and I sell primarily on eBay to bring in that money. If you like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me to know to make more videos like this, and it helps YouTube know that I'm actually a little bit enjoyable to watch. Some days, maybe. And if you don't mind seeing my face often, hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of good content coming this way. Today I'm filming outside because, well, I homeschool, so it means inside is a little noisy at times, especially with boys. And I'm wearing my shades because I'm outside, so I'm sorry you can't see my eyes, but I just got new glasses, so I also wanted to show off these Walmart glasses. They're amazing. So let's get to it. I don't want to deceive you. I have a lot of bread and butter items, a lot of $15, $20 items that sell, even less than that. I don't have a particular price range that I have to stay within. I do have a range of what I like to make, a profit range, I suppose. So these are my higher priced items for the month that I did sell, but I literally turned $53 into $729. So let's get started with item number 1. The first thing I sold is a rockin' 50s Halloween costume that I'm assuming is for Halloween. And I purchased that for $2. I haven't had it in my store too long, knowing Halloween's coming up. I wanted to get it listed. And it sold for $23.86 with free shipping. The next item is a chemical peel. Now, anything that could take somebody's face off, I have to be very careful. Some people won't sell, but in this particular case, it was a salon that was going out of business. So all of their product that they were selling was not expired, and they could not sell expired stuff to me. So that was an extra bonus. I sold this chemical peel for $180, and I bought it from the salon for $20. So that was a really good flip. Same salon had a bunch of hair dye, and during this time when nobody could get their hair done, people were buying hair products like crazy. So from this salon sale, I actually bought a lot of stuff, and some of it I sat on for quite a while until the lockdown came and my hair dyes just flew. So this hair dye I bought for $1 and sold for $26.39. Next item might bring back memories, at least it does for me. Anybody in the 80s, 90s growing up? This is a see-through landline phone that some of them were fluorescent, and I don't know, just kind of fun to look at. I picked this up at a garage sale for $1, and it sold for $25 plus shipping. And in my ad I said, I have no way of testing this. I hope it's for a party prop because I can't guarantee it works. I don't have a landline. So it was kind of a funny ad. Ralph Lauren women's pajamas, plaid women's pajamas, had so much interest, and I sent out so many offers for this, and somebody bought it full price. That seems to always happen to me. It's like I send out all these really good offers, and then boom, it sells full price. I guess somebody really wants it instead of watches it or likes it on on eBay. This came with free pickup, and I did an entire video that I linked below on how to get free items, and in that I picked up free items during the lockdown. I put an ad out and had truckloads and truckloads of free items. So this pajama set was free, and it sold for $23.76 plus shipping. I'm not too big on consignment. I feel like that's really confusing tax-wise, splitting profit. However, I do have a person in my family that buys extremely very nice, expensive items that they want to get part of their money back. So we split the profit 50-50. So I got these Christian Louis Vuitton pumps for no money, but I split the profit and sold them for $165 plus free shipping. Gel I bought from OfferUp. I bought it in a lot of other facial cleansers, moisturizers. Now, how I found it is that I will go on eBay and look for discontinued eye gels, discontinued lotions, and then I go over to OfferUp and I put it in to find items that sell for more than sometimes they even sold for in the store. So this particular item I got off of OfferUp. On a very generous day, we'll do dollar ceramics. All the hard good ceramics are $1. I am not gonna lie, I hate shipping ceramics. Anybody else out there? I love listing ceramics. I hate shipping ceramics, but I just continue to do it because the profit is really good. I've had one thing break, and the person was so gracious. This American flag platter tray, I paid $1 for at the dollar sale. It was like a 9/11 commemorative platter. Beautiful. It was beautiful. I thought about keeping it, but I was like, once you put chips in it, you can't see the flags. It sold for $45, and that was just a really good flip. My husband used to work at REI. I think that's a West Coast store. Maybe it's other places. But he used to work at REI, so he knows a lot of the outdoor equipment stuff I just have no clue what I'm looking at. So when we garage sale, I go to one thing, he goes to the other. It somehow really, really works out. So he found these 2 mountain bike tires for $2 a piece. They literally sold the same week for $92.95 plus free shipping. And they're light, foldable, easy to ship. Ceramic dishes, I don't always know, you know, the fancy stuff is easy because it's labeled and it's fancy and you can look it up, but sometimes I just look for cute ceramic stuff. So in this particular case, I found these cabin ceramic plates. I think it was a set of 7. It was missing a plate. And I paid $3 and they sold for $45 plus shipping. They're just super cute. So all the keywords that I could think of, cabin, bear, rustic, all of that went in the keywords, and somebody is enjoying those plates. My last item, oh, do you see my dog? He might knock down my camera. Let me see. Otis, you want to say hi? Uh-oh. My last item is a hair treatment. I did the same thing. I looked up sold comps of discontinued hair products and found this for 3 for $17 on OfferUp, and all 3 sold for $89.97. Still, that's a great profit margin. I didn't even have to turn my car on. It was just a really easy transaction. Hopefully you haven't taken a shot every time I've said easy, because I think I said easy so many times. I don't want to deceive you. Selling on eBay, it is work. It is work, and sometimes you do pick up things that flop or sit for long periods of time. But hopefully this helps for people to source smarter and to realize that you can make some good money selling used products. So glad this video worked out outside, because a motorcycle, a tractor, my dog didn't bark. The birds are chirping, but that's okay. Thank you for watching today. This was like a what sold Wednesday, although it wasn't everything that had sold for the week. This was just some of my bigger, more interesting items, so I didn't bore you with a $12 pillowcase and $12 socks, because yes, I do sell those little items that fit in a little envelope that bring in little profit, but it's a Starbucks drink. It's a something, you know. Have a great Wednesday evening. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you later. God bless.